Hey tech enthusiasts, welcome back to the channel. Today we're exploring something truly awesome in the world of technology. I'm super excited to share with you my in-depth review of the Canon imageCLASS MF3010, a multifunction laser printer that's been making waves in the industry. From its lightning-fast printing speeds to its eco-friendly features, this device is packed with innovative technologies that are designed to make your work and personal life easier. So, let's dive right in and see what makes this printer stand out from the crowd. First off, let's talk about printing speed. The Canon imageCLASS MF3010 can print up to 19 pages per minute, with a first printout time of approximately 8 seconds for letter-sized documents. That's incredibly fast, and it's perfect for busy offices or home users who need to print out large quantities of documents quickly. Imagine being able to print out a 10-page report in under a minute. It's a game changer. And with its high-quality laser printing technology, you can expect crisp, clear text and vibrant graphics that will make your documents look professional and polished. Another feature that really impressed me is the scanner. The Canon imageCLASS MF3010 can scan in color up to 600 dpi, which is interpolated color scanning quality. This means you can scan in your important documents, photos, and other materials with incredible accuracy and detail. Whether you're scanning in receipts for expense reports or archiving family photos, this printer scanner is up to the task. And with its easy-to-use interface, you can scan and save your documents to your computer or send them directly to your email or cloud storage services. Now, let's talk about a feature that I think is really cool, the ID card copy function. This feature allows you to easily create copies of your identification cards, business cards, and other small documents. It's perfect for offices that need to make copies of employee IDs or for individuals who need to make copies of their driver's license or passport. The process is simple. Just place the card on the scanner glass, select the ID card copy option, and the printer will create a perfectly sized copy. It's a small feature, but it's incredibly convenient and can save you a lot of time and hassle. In addition to its impressive printing and scanning capabilities, the Canon imageCLASS MF3010 is also designed with energy efficiency in mind. The Energy Saver mode uses approximately 1.2 watts in sleep mode, which is incredibly low. This means you can leave the printer on and ready to use without worrying about it consuming a lot of power. And with its compact design, it's perfect for small offices or home users who need a reliable printer that won't take up too much space. The paper capacity is also impressive, with a maximum capacity of up to 150 sheets. This means you can print out large quantities of documents without needing to refill the paper tray. In conclusion, the Canon imageCLASS MF3010 is an incredible multifunction laser printer that's packed with innovative features and technologies. From its fast printing speeds to its high-quality scanning and energy-efficient design, this printer is perfect for anyone who needs a reliable and versatile printing solution. Whether you're a busy office worker or a home user, this printer is sure to meet your needs and exceed your expectations. So, if you're in the market for a new printer, I highly recommend checking out the Canon imageCLASS MF3010. Find the link in the description below to learn more and get your hands on one today. Trust me, you won't be disappointed. This printer is a game changer, and it's going to take your printing experience to the next level. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.